Your TV keeps restarting again and again. It turns on for a few seconds, and before you even grab the remote, boom, it restarts. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix this annoying problem step by step, whether you have a smart TV, LED, or LCD. Stay till the end, because the last fix might surprise you. Step 1. Power cycle your TV. Let's start simple, with a power cycle. It might sound too easy, but trust me, this fix works for nearly half of all TV restart issues. Close-up shot. Hand reaching to unplug the TV from the wall outlet. On-screen text. Step 1. Power cycle your TV. Timer animation counting down from 60 seconds. Unplug your TV's power cable completely from the wall socket. Don't just switch it off, remove the plug entirely. Now, wait at least 60 seconds. During this time, press and hold the TV's physical power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Not the remote, the actual button on your TV. This helps drain any leftover electrical charge from the internal circuits and clears small memory bugs. First, completely unplug your TV from the wall outlet. Don't just switch off the socket. Actually pull the plug out. Once it's unplugged, wait for at least 60 seconds. During this time, press and hold the power button on the TV itself, not on the remote, for about 10 to 15 seconds. This helps release any remaining electrical charge inside the capacitors and clears minor voltage memory errors that may cause restarting. Step 2. Check power source. If your TV still restarts, your power source might be unstable or weak. Close-up of a worn-out or loose power socket. Use a moving plug from an extension board to a wall outlet. Always connect your TV directly to a wall outlet instead of an extension cord or surge protector. A damaged power strip, loose plug, or voltage fluctuation can cause the TV to restart again and again. Try another socket, or test your extension by plugging in a fan or charger to see if it delivers steady power. Stable current is crucial for your TV's mainboard. Graphic animation showing a stabilizer balancing voltage. If the power connection looks good, but your TV still keeps restarting, the next possible cause could be one of your connected devices. So let's move to step 3. Removing external devices. Step 3. Remove external devices. External devices, like HDMI boxes, consoles, or USB drives, can also trigger restart loops. User unplugging all HDMI, USB, and antenna cables from the TV's back panel. TV turning on alone, showing the logo screen. Completely disconnect every external device, HDMI, USB, hard drives, even soundbars. Then power on your TV alone. If it stays on, one of those accessories is the culprit. Reconnect each device one by one until the issue returns. That's how you identify the faulty one. Step 4. Update or reset software. Now, let's talk software. Smart TVs often restart repeatedly due to outdated firmware or corrupted system files. Navigating through menu. Settings support software update now. Progress bar showing software update in progress. If your TV stays on long enough, go to Settings, then Support, and choose Software Update. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. Let the update install fully. Do not unplug during this process. Showing Factory Reset, option with warning text overlay. If the update doesn't help or your TV restarts too quickly, try booting into Safe Mode. Search your TV brand plus Safe Mode online to find exact steps. And as a last resort, perform a factory reset. It will erase all your data, but can eliminate deep system errors causing restart loops. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tech fixes, and comment below what worked for you.